Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new day in the life video. It's been a really long time since I just did like a one-shot full day in my life, so hopefully today I can remember to vlog all day long and get a fun-filled video out for you guys. Today is a Thursday, which means I am going to be going to the gym. I'm going to go in the early evening today instead of the morning like usual, and I'm gonna run some errands. I have a ton of editing to do. I'm still kind of learning the ropes of editing on my iPad, but so far I'm really loving it. I can't tell if it's like more time consuming or less time consuming as like my laptop, but I really like the change. You know, I've been editing with the same program on my computer for like 9 years now, so having a new device to edit on has been a lot of fun. Yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm currently trying to get myself caffeinated and excited and ready for the day. I already walked Cleo, so that kind of got my endorphins going. Weather has been weird lately because some days it's like cooling down a lot and then some days the weather is just really hot, so I ended up taking a shower as soon as I got back inside because it's quite a hot day today. Anyways, the first thing I want to start off by doing this morning is my skincare. You guys know I love doing skincare in my vlogs, and I want to introduce this new concept I'm going to do on my channel this month, Skin-tober. So as you guys know, it's now October, happy October, and I thought it'd be fun if I just do little Skin-tober segments in my vlogs this month and show you guys some skincare that I'm really loving. I've been trying out a ton of new stuff, and I'm really excited because today's video is in partnership with Revectin. So I'm going to be showing you guys my morning skincare using all Revectin products today. I've been testing this stuff out for almost 2 months now. It's been quite a while. And Revectin, if you don't know, they are a Korean brand. They're one of the most trusted and effective skincare brands here. And even though it's a Korean brand, if you're abroad, they have tons of different ways you can buy their stuff online, which will all be linked below. One of the things I really like about this company is when you're shopping on their website, you can shop by your skin type. So whether you have, you know, combination, dry, oily skin, whatever your skin type is, you can select like that specific skin type on their website, and they will give you a selection of all the products that are best fit for your skin type. So the way I kind of formulated this specific skincare routine was by selecting my skin type, which is combination, and then I've just been using products that they recommend for combination skin. The first product I already have used when I was in the shower, it is their cleansing water. This is the Marine Micellar Deep Cleansing Water. As you guys know, I'm a huge fan of double cleansing in the evening, so I use like a oil and a foaming cleanser at nighttime. This is a cleanser that I have been using in the morning. Actually, I feel like it does a great job at getting excess dirt off of my skin. Even though I use this cleanser in the morning, this is also a really good cleanser you can use in the evening because it's actually advertised as something that can be used to remove makeup, and it does a really good job at taking makeup off. As of right now, I have nothing on my face. I literally just only cleansed it this morning, and this is the current condition of my skin. I did have a few breakouts last week because it was my time of month, so right now I'm really focused on soothing this area because I don't have any open breakouts right now, but I'm just dealing with scarring. So when it comes to scarring, I need to make sure I'm focusing on soothing and hydration because that will lead to repairing my skin barrier. If you're not using a toner, I really recommend trying some out. This is a really good soothing toner. So this is the Revectin Clean Lotus Water Calming Toner. This specific toner is an extra calming toner that soothes with lotus flower extract and its self-purifying effect. So it helps retain ideal moisture for balanced skin with 7 layers of hyaluronic acid and Aqua Excel. All right, moving on, we're gonna do some Ample. So this is my first time, I believe it's my first time to use a product containing LHA. So LHA is basically a less irritating version of AHA or BHA. Those are two really common ingredients in skincare. So the LHA in this makes it a very good soothing and non-irritating product that also gives your skin good hydration. It is aimed at blemish recovery. I really like this product because just a teeny tiny bit of it goes a really long way. And when I apply this, it just feels so incredibly cool and calming on my skin. Next, we're gonna go in with our balm. I am switching back to using balms probably for the next 6 or 7 months. Balms provide a lot more hydration for me, and I need that, especially when the seasons are changing. So I'm really excited that I've gotten to try this one out. This is the Revectin Cica Care Balm. So I personally like this balm because it goes really well under makeup. A lot of times you'll use a balm and it won't blend into your skin too well. It kind of just sits on top of it, but this actually blends in very nicely. If you choose to use this balm at nighttime, I typically do a little bit more if I'm going to bed. Oh my goodness, you will wake up and if you touch your skin, it feels so incredibly silky. Oh, it just makes it feel so good and hydrated. All right, now the last step of our skincare, I'm really excited. This is my first ever time to put a face oil on my channel, so this is super uncharted territory for me, but I've recently started incorporating this into my routine, not every day, but just on days that I feel like it, especially days that I'm spending a lot of time outside. I want to make sure my skin has extra hydration, and that is what this product does. So this is the Revectin Skin Essentials Barrier Repair Facial Oil. When you are looking for products to incorporate into your skincare routine, it's really important that you have some kind of product that is made for protecting your skin barrier, and vitamin E is actually something that can assist great with that, and this contains vitamin E, so that was one of the reasons that really pulled me to this product. You really only need a tiny bit of it. Just gives me a really glowy and nice finish without making my skin look super oily. And I also love this because it just gives my skin that extra hydration that it needs. All right, we are done with our skincare. That was super quick and easy. One of the things I love about Revectin as a brand is what they stand for. So they believe that skincare is a journey, and you know, your skin isn't always going to look beautiful. I tell you guys that all the time. It really is about the process of figuring out what works for your skin and what doesn't work. And I love this company because they have so many different products to choose from. All these products are very affordable. You can get these, if you're in Korea, you can get them on the Revectin website, or you can get them on their global website if you're abroad. They're also on Amazon, Yes Style, and Wishtrend. So tons of places that you can find these products at. If you end up trying any of them out, let me know how they work for you. I actually have some more products from them that I haven't tried yet, so hopefully I'll have the chance to try those later this month, and maybe I can show them on my channel next month or later this winter. I hope you guys enjoyed this little Skintober segment, and thank you again to Revectin for sponsoring this video. All right, so I just got back from Artbox. I'm gonna show you what I got. By the way, the rest of this vlog will probably be filmed on my phone or my fish eye lens camera because my G7X, the screen, one of the screws popped out. So it's not broken. I think I'll be able to take it to a store and get it fixed, but I just don't want to touch it because I don't want to, you know, cause more trauma to it. So we're just gonna play it safe and film on my phone, but it's okay. I feel like iPhone quality is all right if it's shot in the right light. Just the sound isn't that great. Anyways, I'm rambling. Okay, let me show you. First of all, I got this cute little reusable bag. So Artbox, you guys saw the store. It's so cute. So first I just got some masks. These are black masks, and I need to order just like a big jumbo box, some white masks, and some more black masks. If you guys are wondering, everyone here in Korea is still wearing masks pretty much everywhere. Yeah, everywhere for sure. It's funny because like masks aren't really a social issue here because people wore them even before the panini, but it's just, I'm over it. Like, it's so annoying. I get hot and sweaty just walking wearing it. And then I got some acne patches. These are nice. Like, I even will put one of these on if I'm not having a breakout and I just have like a really red spot from like a previous breakout. I'll put this on instead of putting makeup over it, and it kind of calms the look of the redness, so it gives an illusion. And then I got a couple new toothbrushes. I was in need of new toothbrushes. Look how cute these are. Adorable. And is that everything I got? I also went to Olive Young and I got shaving cream. Oh, I guess it's, oh, I got a new memory card for my camera, but I can't really use that until I fix my camera. But for now, enjoy this beautiful, it looks gorgeous outside. Oh, we have a puppy. Hello. Hello. You wake up. All right, so it is approaching the evening now, and I feel kind of ugly, to be honest. I think just because I'm not wearing makeup and my, like, I want more color and like brightness in my face. So I'm gonna put some makeup on, and then we are going to clean my house because I think I'm gonna go to my boyfriend's tonight, and I hate when I come home and my house is messy. So let me show you what's going on. By the way, I completely like rearranged. Oh, is that yummy, Cleo? Is that yummy? I rearranged my apartment. So my bed used to be on this wall. Like, you would walk in and the bed was sticking out. And just one day I was bored and I moved my bed over here, and oh my goodness, the difference like in space. I know it's still not that much space, but it's a huge difference to me. House is clean. It feels so good to get that taken care of. And I ended up just waving my hair because it's still so humid that like when I try to wear straight hair, it just puffs out and it doesn't look nice compared to wavy hair. So I just did this really quickly. But I wanted to show you guys what I pack with me if I go to my boyfriend's house. I have most of the stuff that I need there, like skincare and stuff like that. But I still usually end up bringing like extra skincare products that I want to try out, and just like random clothes and stuff like that. So it's really light packing. Sometimes I bring a ton of stuff if I'm planning on doing a bunch of filming, but today it's just not so much. So I have some skincare and like deodorant and stuff like that, and then I have, I think I have like 2 t-shirts and a couple pairs of pants, because I don't know how long I'm going to be there. I might be there a couple days, I'm not sure. And then my makeup bag, my iPad, my new baby that I love so much. Sorry, I'm so annoying. And then I just bring it all in this white bag. And then this Louis Vuitton toiletries bag. This is what I keep all of my camera gear. So I usually bring like a couple of my cameras and like memory cards. Now, would you like to go on a little walk? And then we are gonna make our way over there. And yes, I'm having a glass of wine because I deserve it. It was a long day.